In this video, I want to tell you about what I think is the very best side hustle for 2024. I do this online business myself. It can be very lucrative and it only takes minutes a day. It is ideal for people who are working a full-time job. If you've been looking for a way to make more money without spending so much time, it's almost like taking on another job, this might be just what you've been looking for. I think it's an ideal side hustle for both beginners and experienced marketers alike. Anyone can do it. Hi, I'm Joe Barkley. I've been working side hustles on a full-time basis almost since the start of the internet. And what I really like about this side hustle is not just the money you can make, but how it can create time freedom too. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. With today's economy, it seems more people than ever are feeling the need for making more money and are checking out side hustles. A side hustle is just an activity you take on to make extra money. And there are all kinds of side hustles to choose from. You may have tried one or more already. The big challenge with side hustles in general is that they typically require far more time than you thought to meet your money goals. And unfortunately, in too many side hustles, you may never make the kind of money you were led to believe, so beware of the hype. In most side hustles, you're really just trading your time for money, as there is no way to leverage your time. You end up feeling like you've taken on another full-time job. Well, who really has the time or the interest in that? And that's one of the big reasons I feel the side hustle I want to share with you is the best one. You can take advantage of the power of automation and leverage your time to make significant money in just minutes per day, not hours. You can do it at a schedule you choose, from wherever you want to be. I even do this while I'm sailing in the summer or while I'm skiing in the winter. It is a global opportunity. Everyday people from all over the world are doing it. It's really simple. No previous skills are needed. You can do this even if you've never done an online business before, or if you've tried other side hustles and been disappointed. When you team up with us, you will be joining the top team in the fastest growing home business in the industry. We promote something that people need and want, and we help them save money too. Well, not many online businesses can make that claim. We have a super effective marketing system and a generous pay plan. Again, it's perfect for beginners and experienced marketers alike. The business is very low cost. In fact, it is the most affordable online business I've seen. And don't worry, this side hustle is not one of those MLM things. You do not have to purchase products every month just to qualify to get paid. I did that kind of thing for years, and I really hate it. Our team will give you everything you need to start making money fast. Many new people make money on their very first day. We will give you a high converting sales funnel. You will not need to create anything. Again, no experience is needed. You will have your own landing or lead capture pages, a powerful sales page, and a library of professionally written emails to build your business on autopilot while you're doing the other things in life. Like I said earlier, you can even do this while working a full-time job. Yours will be the exact same sales funnel that I use, but it will be personalized to brand and promote you. Again, you do not need to create anything. You can be set up in marketing and making money today. We have the best training in the home business industry. We have both live and recorded trainings throughout the week. We have a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. And on top of that, I will be your personal mentor and coach. I will share everything that has helped us be successful. I do this full time. I'm accessible. I want to help you. You can get paid every Thursday by direct deposit. And with this side hustle, you can also earn long-term, recurring, or passive income too. And I know you'll love getting paid month after month for the sales your automated system makes today. To learn more about how you can use our proven online system to work this easy side hustle and make significant money in minimal time, go to my website at easymoneypath.com. Again, that's easymoneypath.com. Go ahead and check it out now. We'll talk soon.